Hi guys! Kumusta? So actually, very coincidence, magpo 4 years na rin na nagkaroon kami ng sleepover sa bedroom ni Kuya Tyler. Actually, last nangyari ito is June
4.
No, not June, July. June ba? So,
June 4.
June 4, 2020. So, nag 4 years na. So, kanina, naisip na naman namin ni Carol na mag-sleep over sa bedroom ni Kuya Tyler. Then actually, what time is it, May? It's already almost 11 na dito. At saka, dahil nga kamuti lang ang kinain namin kaninang lunch, medyo nagutom at nag-crave si Carol. Kaya yon, midnight snack ang nangyari. Say hi naman, May, to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Anong nabili mo? Anong?
Pizza.
Nag-pizza? Tyler? Tyler, you want to eat, nak? Kaya Tyler? Sarap. Ano to? Anong pizza to? Chicken ranch pala ang in-order ni Carol, guys.
Where's Milo, babe? Mia, where's Milo? Sit down.
Sit down.
Mama, sit down. Sit.
Sit down, Milo. Sit down.
Sit.
Very good.